So this image here I made with AI on Grok, and then, well, to make the animated video, I also used Grok. You go to Grok, Imagine, the tab Imagine, and you upload your image that you want to animate, and it automatically makes a 6-second video, and then you can download that video and you do that. Or if you don't like the 6-minute video, then click again. When you click again, you can either choose normal or fun video, and Grok will make a normal or fun 6-second video, or you can type in words, a prompt, saying what you want to see happen in the video. I do a bit of all of them, mostly fun and typing in my own words. But the first one that they make automatically is like normal. And it's sometimes fine. It often makes a good one for the start of a video, or second or third in a video if you want to use something more interesting, fun, or something that you've prompted yourself as your first video. What I mean by first video is you take all your videos that you create. Let's say for this video, I created 7 different scenes. So I had a 42-second video to put together in. I used YouTube Movie Maker video editor. All of this is for free. You can make about 20 6-second videos on Grok for free every day. It says 20, but it sometimes seems to give me, actually a lot of the time, it seems to give me 30 or 40, even 50 sometimes. And you can download all of those and then choose your favorite ones to put into a video editor, and you can order them around in the preference that you would like to see them appearing, and save your video, and then you have an entire video of the 6-second videos to upload to YouTube or Facebook or wherever you want to upload your video to. The last one on here, where I took the image and I took it to Photoshop, and I added some text over the image, and then I uploaded that image onto Grok and asked them to animate that. Initially, I wasn't totally happy with what they did, although I did save a few others. So you can save as many as you want and then choose your favorite ones to put into your video editor. Then I asked to actually see the cats engaging with the words, and that one I was happy with, and I saved that, and I've added that at the end with the thank you, please subscribe, where they actually are fiddling with the words, because initially I just had the words doing their own thing without the cats looking like they were engaging with it. And then you can make a free song on various sites. I think for this song I used Red Nose, and then you add that to your video as well, and you try and get your video to match up with your words or what's happening in your video. Put it all together and you have a video, an animated video that you've created for free from one image. That's pretty much it. I hope that helps some people who would like to try making animated videos from one image. Thank you for watching.